Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cubers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 Ford Ranger XL Plus cab chassis ute. Stock reference number 4498. The shape runs from the 12th month 2006 through to the 3rd month 2009. It has a WEAT 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. WEAT 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, factory bull bar supplied with all bolts and brackets. The right hand bracket may be a little bit bent but still may be usable, complete with IPF spotlights. We have the left hand headlight. Factory fitted alloy tray with a homemade canopy with all bolts and brackets. It's missing the left hand guard. Trialboss aftermarket towbar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right hand rear door appears to have no damage. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch, 2-door type. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey cloth interior. It's got a grey vinyl centre console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, 6-stack CD player, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.